Hi there, my name is Jacob Diabru. This is my project one for advanced PLCs. So let's power it up. Sorry, just gotta make sure that door is closed. Power it up, clear the faults, start the conveyor, and start the cycle. We put in a part here, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go up the chute, go to the part release station, wait there until the operator presses either of these two buttons, which correspond with the two cylinders over here, the right cylinder and the left cylinder. The right cylinder here is for rejecting parts, and the left cylinder is for accepting parts. And it's the same thing. The right one is for that red button. The left one is for the yellow button right in front of us. So if we choose to if we choose to reject the part, we just press this button here and see what happens. So the cylinder extends and then retracts after a couple of seconds. Drops down. Oops, I went a little too far there. And then retracts to make sure that the part goes down the chute. So let's do it. Now let's accept the part. So we press the yellow button here to accept the part. It's going to go all the way down to the left side and go down the chute. And also it's going to do the same thing and retract after a few seconds, so that so to make sure that the part comes back or goes down the chute. Sorry. We also have a couple of counters here. So the top one here is for the total number of parts that have been cycled. And this second one here is for the number of rejected parts. And the bottom one here is for the total number of accepted parts. And these two numbers here are for the percentage of rejected parts and the percentage of accepted parts. I'll explain that later. If we put in the part again, we choose to reject the part. The number on the bottom is going to go up. So from 1 to 2. And if we choose to accept the part, the number over here, the second number from the top, is going to go from 1 to 2. So let's press the button. Count. Part goes down. And then, as well, if either one of them gets to 3, the light's going to turn on, indicating that a certain number of parts have been rejected and a certain number of parts have been accepted. So if we just put it again for a third time, let's choose to reject the part. And we see here that the green light is turned on. And if we want to just clear that for any reason, we can just press the button on the bottom, but I'll do that right afterwards. And as well, we do the same thing for the accepted parts. So the blue light is going to turn on when we accept the part. So let's accept it. And as well, we got the blue light to turn on. And if we just want to clear those for any reason, we can just hit we can hit the blue button to clear the accepted parts, and we can hit the green button to clear the rejected parts. And over here, you see how this is at 50-50 again. Let's run it one more time. Let's just accept the part. So we accept it, press the yellow button. It goes through, and you see now the values have changed slightly. So the top one is 57.14, and the bottom, and this one, second one here, is 42.86. So those correspond with the percentage of rejected parts to the number of accepted parts, to like the total number of parts. So out of 7 parts, 4 of them have been accepted, and that's 57%. And then the bottom one is the number of rejected parts. Sorry about that. and that's 42%. Only 3 have been accepted. So there's a clear difference there. And also, after 10 minutes, this yellow light is gonna come on, or 5 minutes, I have that set. Sorry, 10 minutes, yes, 10 minutes. And see, it's counting over here. And once it gets to 10 minutes, the yellow light over here, this one right here, is gonna turn on. And if we want to turn that off, and that's just for like to maintain, like we gotta tell the people, okay, it's time to maintain it. And if you want to just reset it when the light comes on, I'll just quickly, I'll change the value real quick. But let's just clear these because we want it out of the way. That's cleared, and that's cleared. And all of our values are set back to 0. So let's turn that off. Stop that, and see. The conveyor is no longer running, as you can see. And if we put it down here, I can prove that. And see, the part won't move at all, so it's not running. And over here, our timer has stopped. It's at 5 minutes 32 seconds. And if we start it up again, there we go. Before we were at 5 minutes 32 seconds. Now we're at 5 minutes 38 seconds, 39, 40, and so on. And once it does get to 10 minutes, then the yellow light will turn on here. And yeah. Thank you for watching, and this has been my project.